Hello everyone, this is Tom Fox with another episode of the FCPA Compliance and Ethics Report. Today I'm extremely pleased to have Eddie Cogan, the President and CEO of Catelas Software, visiting with me today about one of the, what I think is more fabulous tools that are available for the compliance practitioner in putting together a best practices compliance program. You've described generally how this particular tool can assist a compliance officer in being a little bit more nimble, being able to respond more quickly, but also to give them the ability to bring resources to bear when an issue comes up. And one of the things that I try to advocate to people is the Department of Justice wants to see you have some type of plan and moving forward to basically manage the risk as you've laid out in your plan. Does this tool help people with a forward-looking perspective as well, in addition to your retrospective look back, obviously, at things that have happened?
Yes, it does. I mean, for example, there are certain levels of severity in terms of behavioral changes. So, for example, many of our customers, what they'll do is every quarter they review the level of training and certification of the people on their side, the employees, and the third parties. And then we automatically create forms and questionnaires. So everything in the software is automated. So basically, as things change, forms are automatically populated. An email then is sent to the third party, and they then fill in the form and provide more information. And that triggers events in training tools, for example. But that's done on a periodic basis, because what you don't want to do is every day email your partner and say something. So you have to have it very, very planned and steady and robust. However, every 3 to 6 months, there is a list of companies that these companies want to audit and carry out, periodic due diligence with. So what we're doing there is helping populate that list. In other words, where is your greatest level of risk, and how do you balance what's changed and what comes up from the field with, the systematic approach you also have to regularly looking at your high-risk companies. And then again, that information is also put together in a form and sent to the business sponsor. So what we're trying to do is have it top-down, which is planned, but also have it bottomed up in terms of fine-tuning what's changed, and then populate that into an automatic form, which then a business sponsor can very quickly complete online. So the idea is you reduce the burden on compliance, but you also reduce the burden on your third party and your business sponsors, because if it's seen as cumbersome, it doesn't get used. So it's very important to make it, one-click reporting, one-click forms, and help the data that's ingested then bubble up to the compliance officer so they know at any one time what the risk profile of each region is and what they should be concerned about. So, as they report to the board, they can say, we have our plan, we're going through the plan, but the plan is also dynamic. And I think the plan being dynamic is a key, probably, change that we've seen from the DOJ since, let's say, December. The ability to respond to events rather than being rigid from day one. Thank you for the opportunity to chat with you.
Okay.
Catelas provides an end-to-end third-party management system or integrates seamlessly with any tools that you may have already deployed. Please visit us at www.catelas.com to schedule a demonstration of our software.